Let's feast your eyes on this classic Honda CB750K. This is absolutely gorgeous. Guys, this is the original factory paint job on this bike. It's in beautiful condition. The gas tank's in beautiful shape. It's only showing 27,000 miles on the odometer. This original factory saddle, original chrome. The thing runs like an absolute dime piece. The gentleman we bought this from, Justin, I actually ended up hiring him because I was so impressed with his work. He's 25 years old and went through this whole bike top to bottom as a labor of love. We bought it in. The mechanic wanted to tune the carburetors a little bit better, so he ended up taking them apart and micro-drilling the pilot jets, and now it runs absolutely freaking ridiculous. It runs beautiful. Justin put the Delkevic exhaust on it. You can see the tires have been replaced. It's been given a major tune-up. The engine is absolutely freaking gorgeous. The aluminum and the chrome on the motor is really nice. If you come around this side right here, you can see the aluminum engine covers have been polished beautifully. Everything's there, and it's absolutely stunning, and it's ready to ride, man. It has some key upgrades on it. It has a nice cushy, comfy foam grips, the Delkevic stainless steel exhaust. And then Justin also replaced the headlight with a modern LED headlight, which is literally 200% more light at night. That's one of the things with the old bikes. They don't have that much light in their old school headlights. So this thing is like daytime. So let me fire it up so you can hear it run. Electric start. It also has kickstart if you want to impress your friends. Thing sounds freaking fantastic. I'll have a full write-up on the eBay ad of everything that's done to it. We're auctioning off 50 motorcycles this week here at Kaplan Cycles. If you see something you like, give us a call, 860-454-7024. They're going to be sold to high bidder on eBay. This is the kind of bike you want to get on and ride all day long, man. This thing is absolutely immaculate. It's been given a full rotisserie detail here by the same guys that detailed the bikes for the New England Motorcycle Museum. And look inside the fuel tank here. This thing is freaking just super clean, top to bottom. It's got nice Superbike bars on there. Full tank of ethanol-free fuel, and she's ready to go. Gauges are nice and crisp and clear, showing 27,800 miles. All the chrome on the bike looks really good. Obviously a bike that was well cared for. The aluminum on the engine, you look at the engine covers and the engine cases, the thing's absolutely beautiful. Original stock shocks on it. Everything's there, guys. Tires have been replaced. Everything's done. Full major tune-up, and it's ready for a new home. I'll have a full write-up on the eBay ad. If you have any questions about it, give us a call, 860-454-7024. We have its little brother, the 554, coming up next, in addition to the CBX 1100, the Mugen VF700s, the CR500s, the CR125s, and a full lineup. There's a whole row of vintage Hondas that are going up for auction this month on eBay, and 50 other classic bikes. Buy your tickets today. We're raffling off a 2023.5 Gas Factory Edition at KaplanCycles.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks to our sponsors, Motul and Gas for making today possible. And if you want to buy a new Gas 85, 65 electric bike, a new fuel-injected 300 two-stroke, we got the full model of 2024s in stock here at Kaplan Cycles. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.